All right, let's try another attempt. We built a 49-to-1. We're using 35 feet of KLR 240. This is our 3,000 ohm resistor. I don't know if that value is correct or what, but over here it says 38 is a talkable SWR. The broadcast down in the 1000s was not looking good. So this might be a horrible receiver for AM. What else was there? Let's quickly go up to Super Bowl, which is this one here, and then we'll crank her all the way down. And then 27025-ish is 2. Usable. And it's crap. Oh, still stay there. It's crap up on 6. So I don't know if I have to add a capacitor, a bigger capacitor, to make it work on 6. I think this antenna was only 10 through 180. Oops, we went way too far. But 51 somewhere. Yeah, C5, just not good. 52, just not good. Getting better, but whatever. We don't care about 6 meter in this particular thing. What about all you people that like to stare at the wall? Where are you at? 14085, I believe. So there you go, 1.5, 39 ohms, 17 XS. I don't know. It's amateur antenna, not amateur radio, kids. Bye!